In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your ChatGPT version on the web. This is a straightforward process, and I'll be guiding you step by step, starting from a fresh browser, so you can easily follow along. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, let's get started. First things first, open up your favorite web browser. It doesn't matter which one you use, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or something else. Once you're in your browser, go ahead and head to Google. Just type ChatGPT into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results related to ChatGPT. Now, look for the official ChatGPT site among those results and click on it. This will take you directly to the chat interface where you can start interacting with the model. Once the page loads, we want to quickly find out which version of ChatGPT you're currently using. To do this, direct your attention to the top left corner of the chat window. You should see something that looks like the ChatGPT logo. Right next to it is what we call the model selector. Click on that drop-down menu. When you do, you'll see the active model highlighted. This entry is the version that's currently in use for your conversation. If you decide to switch models here, just remember that the version you select will be the one used for your next messages. It's a useful feature, especially if you want to switch between different capabilities or performance levels offered by the models. However, I want to point out a few things to keep in mind while you do this. Sometimes, you might need to have an active chat open to see the model picker properly. Also, the label can change as the interface updates, but rest assured, it will always be located in that top left model menu, so it's typically a reliable spot. Now, there's actually another way to confirm which version you're on. This method can be particularly handy if you're not seeing the model picker, especially if you're on a smaller screen like a mobile device. Look down to the lower left corner of your screen and see if you can find your profile picture or your initials. Click on that, and it should open up a menu. From here, select the option that says Settings. This will open a new settings window. In the sidebar, look for the section labeled Account. Click on that, and you'll be brought to a page displaying your account details, including the plan you're currently subscribed to. If you want to dive deeper into what your plan entails, you can also check which models are available under your subscription. Just click on the View Plans option to open the Plans page. Your current plan will be clearly indicated there, along with the list of models available with your chosen plan. This can help you verify the version you have access to, and by extension, the version you're likely using in the chat. As a couple of quick tips while checking, remember that the exact wording of the model names or the position of the buttons may change from time to time as updates roll out. However, the model selector in the top left and the account section in settings are consistently reliable places to verify. If you notice something looks different than what I've just described, try refreshing the page and checking again. Oh, and one last thing to note. Available versions can depend on your plan and region, so keep in mind that what you see might vary. And that's it. You now know the fastest way to check your ChatGPT version using both the model dropdown and the settings route for a more in-depth confirmation. If you're using a mobile browser, just remember the model selector might be tucked behind a menu icon at the top. Simply open that to reveal the same options. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.